Right now, somewhere in the world, a person with no rich family, no investors, and no special connections is building a business that could completely change their life. While millions of other people with more education, more time, and even more money stay stuck in the exact same place year after year. Why? What separates the people who build wealth from the people who only dream about it? The answer is not luck, and it's definitely not motivation. It's the way they think. Because the people who succeed financially understand something most people never realize. You don't need to own everything to profit from everything. And once you understand this concept, you'll never look at money the same way again. Section: the trap most people live in. Most people grow up believing this formula: go to school, get a job, work hard, save money, retire someday. But there's one problem with that plan. It keeps you trading time for survival. No matter how hard you work, your income usually stays limited by your hours. And that's why so many people feel trapped. But wealthy people play a completely different game. Instead of asking, how can I work harder? They ask, how can I create value at scale? That one shift changes everything. Section: the hidden rule of modern business. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine someone owns products, but they don't know how to market them. Another person has marketing skills, but no products. Most people see problems. Entrepreneurs see opportunities. Because if you connect those two people together, you can build a business without creating the product yourself. That's the hidden rule of modern business. You don't always need to build from scratch. Sometimes, you simply need to connect value to demand. That's how many online businesses exploded over the last decade. Not by owning everything, but by understanding systems. Second, why people never start. Now here's the sad part. Most people never even try. Not because they can't, but because they overthink everything. They wait for the perfect idea, the perfect moment, the perfect amount of money. But perfection is dangerous. Because while you're waiting, someone else is already learning, failing, improving, and growing. The truth is, every successful business starts messy. Nobody begins as an expert. Confidence comes after action, not before it. Section: skills are the new currency. We are living in a time where one valuable skill can completely change your future. Think about that. A person with editing skills, marketing skills, communication skills, or AI knowledge can build income from a laptop, from anywhere. And the craziest part? Most of these skills can be learned online for free. But most people stay distracted, scrolling, watching, consuming instead of building. And years later, they wonder why nothing changed.
So here's a simple framework you can actually use.
Learn to notice problems. Money follows solutions. Pay attention to things people complain about. What wastes their time? What frustrates them? What feels complicated? Every frustration in the marketplace is a hidden business opportunity. Train your mind to notice them. Build useful relationships. One strong connection can save you years of struggle. Talk to people in industries you respect. Learn from people already getting results. Don't network just to get something. Network to become valuable. That's how real opportunities appear. Start smaller than you want. This is important. Most people fail because they start too big. They want instant success. But successful businesses grow like trees. Slow at first, then unstoppable later. Focus on your first customer, then your first 10. Master the basics before chasing scale. Become obsessed with learning. The world changes fast. Technology changes fast. Business changes fast. If you stop learning, you fall behind. The people winning today are not always the smartest. They are the fastest learners. Read more, study more, experiment more, because knowledge compounds over time. Final message. Listen carefully. You are probably much closer to opportunity than you think. You may not have money right now. You may not have connections. You may not even feel confident. But none of that guarantees failure. What matters is whether you're willing to start. Because small actions repeated consistently can completely transform a person's future. Years from now, you'll either look back and say, "I'm glad I started," or "I wish I had started." The choice is yours. If you're serious about building a better future, comment, "I'm starting now." And subscribe for more videos about business, wealth, mindset, and real self-improvement.